welcome back everybody to an episode of Boost Day 2000. So yeah, you'll see that we are out in the Escort RS Coswish. Okay, so massive one, okay. I've been absolutely nagged rotten about this mod, and it's, let's call it a free mod, okay. It doesn't cost anything really. Say like 15-20 quid, you can get it cheaper. I'd done this mod 6 years ago, and this mod was shown to me by a mate called Mark Jones. So I'm not one for gatekeeping information. Let me flip you around and show you what I'm talking. You have to excuse the scuttle panel because I melted the paint and I pulled my heat stuff off. But yeah, check these bad boys out. So we got shaving down by here, okay, so it doesn't catch on the wing, or you can tap that in a little bit. Got these gas struts. I'll tell you later on what size they are. We have these down by here, okay, and then basically, if you watch now, the bonnet holds itself up. So yeah, that's an absolute sick, basic, free mod, okay. So this can be done on a Mk5 Escort, it can be done on a Mk6 Escort, it can be done on the RS Cosworths, it can be done on any model, for example. One thing worth mentioning though, you do need to cut and trim the bulkhead by there, just to make sure that this fits through. You can do it neater than that. This was done as a temporary measure like, I don't know, 5-6 years ago. Okay, so you want the 10mm ball nut. I'll put a picture up here, easily accessible on eBay, or probably any kind of motor factors you'd go to. Lastly, you want the 100N times 2, okay, so that's 2 gas struts, okay, at 450mm length. It's literally 10 to 15 minutes work. She said she wants to say hi to everyone, so say hi, Hope. Say hi. Take that out. Where'd you get that from? Say hi, everyone. Hi. So yeah, look. And if you're new to the channel, hit like, sub, enable notifications. There's loads of stuff going on our channel if you like fast forwards, and especially if you like Escort content. This car is bespoke, it is one of a kind. There's loads of mods. I'll start doing little snippet videos like this for you. But yeah, hope this video helps. Put down in the comments if you've done the mod or if you're going to do the mod. And until next time, hopefully see you there. Hit that sub, like, enable notifications, and hype this video. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Hope.